Hello, it's me again, Adam Yobst of A-Team Realty, LLC, and I'm here to share with you the latest news and information for the DC Metro real estate market. Last month, in April 2009, the real estate market remained relatively slow. However, things are picking up. The average days to sell a property is still high. It's about 3 months, down from about 3.5 months the month prior, but it's still pretty high. It's over 3 months. The average sale price has remained relatively flat. They've increased in a few areas, but on average they're about the same as they were the month prior in March. The number of sales have increased about 10% again, so that'll be the third month in a row where the number of sales have increased. The absorption rate has also increased. Now that's been increasing since January, from 11% now to 18%, and we haven't seen that type of increase since I've been tracking the data since 2005. Take a look at these graphs that I've prepared for you. This will better illustrate what I'm talking about. This first graph is an inventory versus pending sales chart. The line at the top represents the trend line of the active real estate listings. These are the properties that are being marketed for sale. As you can tell, that trend is going down since June 2008. The line on the bottom represents the trend line for the properties that are being sold every 30 days. These are the properties that go under contract. As these two trend lines get closer together, we get closer and closer to a balanced real estate market. And as you can see, that's what's occurring right now. Alright, this next chart is the absorption rate chart. I've been tracking this information since January 2005. The line at the very top left-hand side of this chart is the trend line of the absorption rate in 2005. And as you can tell, the real estate market in 2005 in January was very hot. This is a strong seller's market. The top line indicates that the absorption rate in January was 55% for our area. That means that of the properties that were available for sale in January 2005, over half of them went under contract in that month. Now if we follow that trend line all the way to December, the market really cooled off there that year. And by December 2005, we had an absorption rate of 23%. Now to be a balanced real estate market, by definition, the absorption rate is between 25 and 35%. And we've spent most of the last 3 years below that 25% mark, meaning that we're in a strong buyer's market. No big surprise there. But we have the statistical data now to support that. Now this last line here, 2005, is the dark purple line at the bottom that you can tell is skyrocketing to the top. And as you can tell, since January of this year, we've been significantly increasing that absorption rate for the year. We're now at 18% and closely approaching that 25% threshold to indicate that we're in a balanced real estate market. Right now we're still in a very strong buyer's market for most of the area, with Fairfax being the only exception. But in general, we are the whole DC Metro area is approaching a more balanced real estate market. Okay, so to summarize, now is the perfect time to buy a home. 2009 is going to be known as the year of the savvy real estate buyer. The government incentives are in place, low interest rates, low prices, and as buyers get more and more comfortable purchasing foreclosures and short sales, it's going to be a great time to buy real estate. I'm going to be putting together these videos every couple of days, so tune in about 3 days for me to present more detailed information on the market trends that I saw last month. Until then, this is Adam Yobst signing off, A-Team Realty. I'll see you next time.